Hi guys, today's challenge is chakli.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go! Wow!
Come here, come here.
Oh!
Prospect bhai, you should show your mouth clean. Empty. Your mouth should be clean and empty.
Hey, today's challenge winner is Ricky Raj.
Wow, super.